Hate, however, is actually quite small. But love is the majority. Filling up something far more important than any feed. Love fills our hearts, our lives, our everyday, with understanding, empathy, and compassion. Leaving hate to become what it truly is, a whisper.
Superman is dead. Can we please just enjoy the moment? Superman and Lois. 2-hour premiere Monday at 8, 7 Central on the CW.
This is our night.
Shingles doesn't care, but Shingrix protects. Only Shingrix is proven over 90% effective. Shingrix is a vaccine used to prevent shingles in adults 50 years and older. Shingrix does not protect everyone and is not for those with severe allergic reactions to its ingredients or to a previous dose. An increased risk of Guillain-Barré syndrome was observed after getting Shingrix. Fainting can also happen. The most common side effects are pain, redness, and swelling at the injection site, muscle pain, tiredness, headache, shivering, fever, and upset stomach. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about Shingrix today.
Hold it. Hold it.
Hard time holding it? Well, Always Discreet absorbs up to a cupful with up to 0 wet feel and odor. So I'm not just dry, I'm jump squats level dry. We've got you, always Discreet.
Okay, everyone. Our mission is to provide complete balanced nutrition for strength and energy.
Ensure with 27 vitamins and minerals, nutrients for immune health, and Ensure Complete with 30 grams of protein.
Does Mark Farrell have the right experience to shake up City Hall? In nearly 10 years as supervisor, Mark grew the bureaucracy by authorizing or creating a commission almost every year. He rubber-stamped hundreds of millions to homeless nonprofits with zero accountability and orchestrated a pay-to-play scheme that sold out taxpayers to the highest bidder. Mark Farrell has all the wrong experience for the change we need.
Closed caption sponsorship for Inside Edition is brought to you by...
This week only at Domino's, get unlimited mini-priced pizzas for 50% off when you order online. Choose any size pizza you want, any crust you want, and any toppings you want. Oh, and any number of pizzas you want, too. Get 50% off your perfect pizza, or pizzas, this week only at Domino's.
Using these type of cleansers could be damaging and stripping your skin. I use new Olay cleansing melts every day. Just soak, activate, and wash to clean, tone, and refresh. That's a 3 times better clean. Olay.
I have dry eye, tired, itchy, burning. My symptoms got worse over time. My eye doctor explained the root was inflammation, so he prescribed Xiidra. Xiidra works differently. Xiidra targets inflammation. Over-the-counter drops don't do this. They only hit pause in my symptoms. But twice daily Xiidra gives me lasting relief.
Xiidra treats the signs and symptoms of dry eye disease. Don't use if allergic to Xiidra and seek medical help if needed. Common side effects include eye irritation, discomfort, blurred vision, and unusual taste sensation. Don't touch container tip to your eye or any surface. Before using Xiidra, remove contact lenses and wait 15 minutes before reinserting.
Dry eye over and over. It's time for Xiidra.
I know 20 of you and you're rich as hell. We're going to give you tax cuts. We're going to pay.
I'm not rich as hell. I'm the one that really needs the break, not the people that are already rich and have the money. The 1% don't serve anybody but themselves. So for them to get a tax break, no, that's not cool. Kamala Harris is going to make billionaires pay their fair share, and she's going to cut taxes for working people like me. I'm Buddy, and I'm not rich as hell, and I'm voting for Kamala Harris.
FFPAC is responsible for the content of this ad.
It feels good to walk down the street with your head high and proud.
Inspiring stories of Latinos making a difference in the Bay Area. I'm Teresa Estacio. KRON4 is honoring Hispanic heritage, exploring the history, art, culture, and food of the Bay Area's incredibly rich and diverse Hispanic community. New stories every Tuesday on KRON4, leading up to our Hispanic Heritage Special, October 15th.
I'm Richard Karn, and I love my hose. My hose is lightweight. My hose will not kink.
Come on.
And my hose is anti-leak. It ain't those old hoses. This is my hose. The new pocket hose Copper Bullet, now infused with real copper, so your water is always clean and lead-free. Just turn on the water and watch your hose grow and grow to a full-size 3/4-inch hose. It stretches and expands like a rubber band. And when you turn off the water, away it goes, shrinking and squeezing that water out until it's practically bone dry. And that makes it easy to carry and put away. Our new inner tube uses 3 layers of high-strength latex on the inside. Then it's wrapped in a new polymer filament jacket, similar to the technology used in forest fire hoses because it's light and tough. 3 times stronger than the other hoses. It's guaranteed for 10 years. Nearly impossible to tear or snag. And the redesigned connector protector helps stop leaks at the spigot. But my favorite part of our new hose build, the oversized, easy-to-grip fittings. Easy on and off, even with gloves. With more than 100 patents worldwide, it's the best pocket hose in the world. Get the super light 25-foot pocket hose Copper Bullet today for only $29.99. But wait, call now and get our copper spray nozzle with our exclusive thumb drive free. Simply use your thumb to turn off and on. And with 10 unique patterns, you'll have a setting for every job. It's a $30 value, yours free with every 50-foot Copper Bullet. But it's not available in stores. This is an exclusive release of our newest pocket hose. There is a strict limit of 3 per order, so don't wait. Order now.
To order, call 1-800-431-2168 or visit copperbullethose.com. So call 1-800-431-2168 or visit copperbullethose.com. Order now.
It's the Planet Fitness Strong Choice Sale. Why pay more for the same weights at other gyms when you can save tons at Planet Fitness? Save $28 or more when you join today for just $1 down, $15 a month, cancel anytime. Deal ends October 10th. Planet Fitness, Strong Choice.
Emergency rooms in California are overcrowded because people can't get appointments to see a doctor or a specialist. And the longer they wait, the sicker they get. Many end up in the ER. And that hurts everyone in California. Prop 35 will help solve the crisis by training more doctors and nurses to make it easier to get an appointment and get wait times down. Vote yes on 35 so patients get the care they need when they need it.
It's the Planet Fitness Strong Choice Sale. Why pay more for the same weights at other gyms when you can save tons at Planet Fitness? Save $28 or more when you join today for just $1 down, $15 a month, cancel anytime. Deal ends October 10th. Planet Fitness, Strong Choice.
Travel consideration provided by
Prime Big Deal Days is coming October 8th and 9th. With exclusive savings just for Prime members, you'll feel like a big deal. Shop deals on electronics, fashion, and more this Prime Big Deal Days, October 8th and 9th.
Wow, that's good. Almond Breeze? You like the almond breeze I got you. That's so interesting.
What's happening, Dad? With delicious taste and 50% more calcium. Blue Diamond Almond Breeze. Don't just milk it, almond milk it.
Stay tuned. There's more Inside Edition to come.
Watch out, California. There's a Trojan horse on the November ballot. Prop 33 is not what it claims to be. It's a misleading anti-housing scheme. 33 would repeal more than 100 state housing laws, including affordable housing requirements and eviction protections. 33 would make housing harder to build and harder to find, making California's housing crisis worse. So join affordable housing experts and reject the Trojan horse. No on 33.
The cost of prescription drugs in California can be devastating, but help is finally on the way. Prop 34 will drastically cut costs for Medi-Cal patients, permanently authorizing California to negotiate lower prices. Plus, 34 will save taxpayers millions annually by forcing corporate pharmaceutical distributors to spend taxpayer funding on patients. So remember, for lower costs to taxpayers and better outcomes for patients, yes on 34.
Tomorrow on Live in the Bay, we're taking a look back at the week with actor Rich Ting and his role in the new season of Tulsa King, plus the Under One Moon immersive exhibition in San Jose.
Live in the Bay, tomorrow at 1 on KRON4.
It could be a broken arm or something more serious, but on any given day, anyone can walk through that door. And Prop 35 helps make sure those doors stay open. Voting yes guarantees healthcare funding without raising taxes. So we train more doctors, nurses, and first responders, get wait times back under control, and make sure hundreds of clinics like this stay open no matter what. Vote yes on 35 to protect access to healthcare.
Does Mark Farrell have the right experience to shake up City Hall? In nearly 10 years as supervisor, Mark grew the bureaucracy by authorizing or creating a commission almost every year. He rubber-stamped hundreds of millions to homeless nonprofits with zero accountability and orchestrated a pay-to-play scheme that sold out taxpayers to the highest bidder. Mark Farrell has all the wrong experience for the change we need.
If you get sick with COVID-19, someone will feel all alone. Get an updated vaccine this season so you don't let down the ones who matter most. Last fall, more people were hospitalized from COVID than the flu. COVID is always changing. Protect yourself this season with an updated vaccine. Do it for you and your dinner date.
A new era begins. Judy Justice.
Weekdays at 11 on KRON4.
Serving the Bay Area for 75 years. KRON4.